Let's read and understand the example. The question says, prove that the quadrilateral formed, if possible, by the internal angle bisectors of any quadrilateral is cyclic. What do you understand by the question? The quadrilateral formed by the bisectors of internal angles of any quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is any quadrilateral. These lines, if you can see, these are the angle bisectors. What do you mean by angle bisectors? These two angles are equal. So these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, and these two angles are equal. Okay? So these are the angle bisectors. And as you can see, जब हमने उन bisectors को we extended and it forms a quadrilateral and we name that EFGH. Here we say कि AH, BF, CF or CG and BH bisect angles A, B, C and D respectively, forming quadrilateral EFGH. What you have to do is you have to prove कि EFGH जो quadrilateral बना है वो cyclic है. अब कोई भी quadrilateral cyclic कब होगा? जब उसके opposite angles in one pair also opposite angles का sum 180 होता है. What we are going to prove the sum of these two angles to be equal to 180. All right? Let's understand how we can do it. First of all, tell me कि FEH जो angle है, is it equal to angle AEB by vertically opposite angles? Let's write down. Angle FEH is equal to angle AEB because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay? Now what is angle AEB equal to? वो इस triangle का part है, triangle AEB का part है, which is equal to 180 minus this angle because in तीनों का sum will be equal to 180. So now we will say कि angle AEB plus angle EAB plus angle EBA is equal to 180 for this triangle AEB triangle. We have AEB as FEH, angle FEH we have already written here. EAB is what? EAB is nothing but half of angle A and EBA is nothing but half of angle B. This is equal to 180. Therefore, I can say the angle FEH is equal to 180 minus half of angle A plus angle B. Correct? This is my equation number 1. Similarly, I go to the other side. I get angle FGH equal to, similarly करना है, फिर दूसरे साइड के लिए पूरा प्रूफ नहीं करना है. Similarly, I get angle FGH equal to 180 minus half of angle C plus angle D. Correct? इस तरफ से इसका this will be equal to this. Now we will get these two angles. ये पूरा triangle का angle sum property. Half of angle D, half of angle C. So we get angle FGH equal to 180 minus half of angle C and angle D. What we will do is we will add both, adding both the equations. We will add this and this. What do we get? We get angle FEH plus angle FGH. Which are these two angles? Let's see. FEH and FGH, opposite angles of a given quadrilateral. If we prove that their sum is 180, then it becomes a cyclic quadrilateral. Correct? This is equal to 180 minus, I'll just add the numbers first. So 180 plus 180 minus half is common for both. So we'll say A plus B plus C plus D. Correct? This is equal to, this is 360 minus half of what? What is A plus B plus C plus D for any quadrilateral? Sum of all the four angles is 360. So this is equal to 360 minus half of 360 which is 180 which is equal to 180. 360 minus 180 is 180 and therefore we have got the FEH plus FGH is 180 and therefore the quadrilateral EFGH is is a cyclic quadrilateral. Is that clear? I know थोड़ा सा difficult लगता है, but if you understand step by step, it becomes easier to remember and to logically apply the things in the question. Alright, so that's your example number 5. In the next video, we will be starting with your exercise 9.3. Lengthy है exercise, but the questions are quite easy. Alright, so stay tuned for the next video. Keep watching us. Thank you so much.